Hey, I'm Jaime from the Crafters Workshop. I'm here at Creativation Winter 2019 with Scrapbook.com. I'm going to show you the newest stencils from Rebekah Meier. Oh, she's got the most delicate, wonderful stencils. I always say, like, look at this one, the butterfly. It's just an amazing silhouette, butterfly reflections. I always say that her designs are the ones that, you want that grungy look, but you don't want it to look ugly. And hers help you get there. She kind of lays it out so you know exactly how you want it to look on your project. She came out with these dotted rings. Okay, so imagine it. Here we've shown it on black, but can you imagine with ombre, with metallic, with sprays, just even back to look at just the little 6x6. Look at all that detail. You could just use a little smidgen of it somewhere. I love it. Then she did circle tiles. Again, it's got like that distressed look, but it's not ugly. You want it to look pretty. You want your project to have that elegance, that shabby chic. It's so beautiful. Link tiles is another wonderful one. It's got that nice repetition, nice details. You could use it in a background, you could use it over something. Just imagine it any which way. I mean, I also even like to spray and then flip it over and kind of use it as a stamp, do a monoprint of it. Speaking of monoprints, what about using a gel plate? That would be fun. So for those of you who love Rebekah's mandalas, we have the sunflower mandala. Isn't that gorgeous? A lot of detail, a lot of open spaces. You know how fun that is. Here it is on black with a little bit of color peeking through. Just imagine all the different things you could do with that. And for those of you who love her dragonflies and that little radar in the background, we did a delicate impression and a little bit of writing. So you get like just kind of like a little peek at something that might have been. So imagine that in a background if you're doing journaling. Really, really pretty. Or even a scrapbook layout. Here we have the Cuatro Motifs. And you can use it as one giant motif, or you can break it up into smaller ones. I mean, you could even do this on coasters if you wanted to. How cool would that be? Or just a little square card for somebody. It's so pretty. I love her look. Layered wallpaper. I love the name of that. Just the name is great. And it looks like something that you would have seen turn of the century. Just nice, delicate, almost like a little glimpse into what was, but yet it's beautiful, elegant. Ink print is another great Rebekah piece. Look at that. All of the interesting spots that you can color in, scrape paste through. You can use Ken's spritzes and a little bit of color through there. So many pretty things. You can use the big one for a background on a scrapbook layout. And then lastly, she has her spring silhouette. I know you can't exactly see everything on the stencil, but when you look at her layout, look at that. There's a little bunny, there's a heart. I think that's a feather. It's wonderful. People have been loving that. So that is the amazing new introductions from Rebekah Meier. She's got such wonderful stencils. You can get all of these from Scrapbook.com.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.